Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will make curry leaves chutney. So let's start the recipe. First of all, take some curry leaves and wash it and let it dry for some times. Okay, like that. After that, take out all leaves in one plate. Same like that. Now take the pan and roast sesame and 1 spoon jeera. Sesame means tea. After that, add 2 spoon oil and then add garlic and green chili and shallow fry for 2 minutes like I am showing you. I just want to tell you one thing, add more garlic and sesame seeds as it is makes the chutney tastier. Okay, see, once this is fully roasted, then take it out in the bowl. Roast curry leaves in the same pan with same oil. Roast till the make sounds like that. After the roast, shredded coconut for 2 minutes. Now we will grind the mixture one by one. First, grind the sesame seeds and jeera. First, mixture it. Then add all roasted mixtures. Roasted coconut, roasted garlic, and curry leaves. Ta-da! You can see it. Our chutney is ready. Now take it out in the one bowl and add some salt and mix it well. So you can eat with rice, roti, etc. Enjoy it. Thank you.